Equivalence and Tautology 2 table in the course Discrete Mathematics with Probability and Hypothesis. So this is the even semester paper and it is common for all the computer science studies, and you can make use this video for studying this tautology and equivalence concept. So already in the previous video I have discussed about the two table and about the connectives. So one is negation, conjunction, disjunction, and biconditional, conditional. So if it is an negation means true means false, false means true. Conjunction means both the statement is true means true, otherwise it is false. Disjunction means both the statement is false means false, otherwise it is true. Conditional means first one true, second one false means false, otherwise it is true. Biconditional means if both the statement is true means true, both the statement is false means true. So these are the conditions we are going to apply here. And logical equivalence truth table means two statements form an logical equivalent if and only if their resulting truth table are identical for each variation of the statement variables. Okay. Next, let us consider some problem. So consider that negation P and Q implies that negation P or negation Q. First, construct a P Q truth table: true, true, false, false. Next statement: true, false, true, false. First negation P. We are going to take the negation for the P statement. Already you know that negation means true means false, false means true. So like that, we will get false, false, true, true. Then similarly we have to take the negation Q. So it is false, true, true, false, true. P and Q means if both the statement is and true means true. Otherwise it is false. So we are going to take a negation P or negation Q. So both the statement or means both the statement is false means false, otherwise it is true. So negation P is false, negation Q is false, so it is false. So negation of P and Q means, so taking the P and Q negation you will get false, true, true, true. So the biconditional means what is biconditional? If both the statement is false means true, both the statement is true means true. So now you notice that all the values is true, and we can say if the statement all the values is true means we can say it is a tautology. So just for the tautology I will recollect the definition. Tautology is one of the compound sentence that will always be true for each and individual statement. A Greek word is used to derive that tautology, where a tauta is also known as same or logi. It is known as a logic under the same condition which is used to make a compound sentence. So simply we can say it is a tautology means all the values is true means we can say it is tautology. Final value if all the value is false means we say it is a contradiction. So these concepts we are going to see, but tautology we are going to discuss in this PPT. One more problem: P tends to Q or Q tends to P means true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false means P or Q means P conditional Q means first one true, second one false means false, or else you can say it is a true. So you will get true, false, true, true. Q conditional P means first one true, second one false means that concept is applied in the third row. So true, false means false, otherwise it is true, true only. Then we can apply P tends to Q or Q tends to P means. So or means both the statement is false means false, otherwise it is true. But here nothing appear like that. So just we can declare it as true. So this is also another tautology problem we can solve. So P and Q we can say negation P means false, false, true, true. P or Q means what is R statement? Both the statement is false. So like that both the statement is false in the next last value. So false, false means false. Combining negation P and P or negation Q means and statement represent that both the statement is true means true, otherwise it is false. But here third line only we will get like that. So otherwise false, false, true, false. Then again this concept will be combined with the Q by applying the conditional. Conditional means what? First one true, second one false means false. So like that, otherwise it is true. But no thing is applied here, so you can represent it as true. Hence we can say it is a tautology. So tautology means all the values are true, then We can say it is a tautology. So these are the problems. We will just discuss this problem. Here this problem also shows the tautology concept. So thank you for watching this concept of the tautology. In next class we will see what about the contradiction, equivalence relation, PPTs and all we can see according to our lesson plan. Thank you students.